What is happening, guys? We are back. This time we're at the Shop CT. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you guys can see I just did the whole trajectory? I think that's the right word. From Florida all the way overnight here to Connecticut. But we're doing something fun and exciting this time. This car has been phenomenal. Has been a consistent 8.4, 8.5 car every single time. But I feel like it's time before something bad happens to pull this motor out. And let's do this a dual rundown. This is a piston rod motor, simple 3-liter, which is a head stud and regular head gasket. That's it. There's no porting, there's no fire locks, it's not a stroker motor. It's a simple engine. But this time, I'm gonna be doing something a little new. I'm gonna be doing a bigger engine. I'm gonna be doing a stroker 3.2. I'm gonna be doing ported heads, bigger head studs, and doing the fire groove, the receiver groove in the block for a bigger, better head gasket. Right now, we are very limited on what we can do, and it's treated me well for over 2 years, but it's time to now pull the trigger and do a proper engine this time to hold all the power that we're gonna be throwing at it. So this time, I'm gonna be, oh, that's a little right there. There we go. So I'm gonna be pulling the whole motor out here, and I'm gonna be storing the car here. That's why I came all the way up here to Connecticut to do it, because it's a whole lot easier for me to just leave the car right here in the corner. This is a lift right here, but I'm gonna make a room there, putting the car there, storing it over there. So whenever the new motor comes in, I could just put it in. I'm very limited on space at where I am in Florida. So up here, it just works out better, and it's closer to the engine builder. So everything just works out better, essentially. I'm gonna put on a time lapse of me pulling the motor out of this car, and we'll go from there. Finally got the engine out of the car, thanks to the help of Kevin and Tim. I think I put I'm gonna record. I think I recorded the time lapse, so I'm gonna post this so you guys can see it beforehand. So if you guys did see it, as you guys saw that Tim and Kevin did help pull the motor out of the car. It is, bam, right there. So she's all out. Package it up and go take it to Visconti, get it refreshed, run through, and we'll go from there. So, but now I'm gonna be hanging out with
what's up?
This guy. So, as you guys seen, he got a new M3, 2026 M3. He's getting PPF. Is he still over there or no?
He might.
Nelson. I'll show you guys. The car's getting matte PPF, which looks so freaking good.
I'm not gonna lie, I fucking love it.
It looks so good. So, actually, if he's there, let's just go over there. You guys ready to see this? Because it looks so good, Mikey. Damn. This is like the freaking Batmobile.
Look at the roof.
Dude, oh my goodness.
Oh, that is sick.
This looks so good with gloss black, bro.
10 feet away, you can't even tell it's a different color than the car.
Look at the front spoilers in matte.
Oh yeah, it looks like dry carbon.
Yeah.
This looks so good. This looks so good. Oh, you guys did the side view mirror caps also.
Yeah.
Bro, gangster. I love the fact that you guys left
Yes,
this.
I love the accents. I love the accents.
You got to keep polish. Oh, the gloss black wheels.
I am. I'm not changing that. Only for the track, obviously.
Gloss.
I'm gonna-
You guys could appreciate that right there. Look at
The
that.
calipers, the same color like the interior or some type of,
Orange. You got to do orange calipers.
and you'll kill it.
Orange calipers for sure is a must. Join the orange gang, Mikey.
Looks good, right?
Looks so
This
good.
thing is so freaking nice.
The following day, and I am here. It's too early. I already started before I could even record. There's not even music in the background. That's how you know it's too damn early for me. But I started disassembling the motor, tearing it down, putting her naked, so to say. Putting everything in boxes and in containers. Just to everything be organized and clean, so when I get it back and assemble it all, it'll be nice and pretty and easy for me to put it back together. But I should have put this on a time lapse, but oh well, too late. I guess the next part you'll see it back in a crate or makeshift crate, whatever. I'll find something around here in the shop that could ship it off. Mikey, what are you unboxing there, buddy?
Those Eventuri intakes in matte carbon.
Matte carbon.
Yep. Treated myself.
Carbon
to a little-
fiber.
Carbon fiber. Treated myself to a little install session. Shit.
Damn, bro, that's a big black pipe. Whoa! Gay!
No, I was just that's.
It's average.
I think this still doesn't have shit on Tim.
No, Tim is definitely 2 bananas. That's gonna look so good. Look at how it matches. So good.
Hold on. See how emails are going.
Emails, unboxing, installs, trying something new for Motive.
Wait, what are you talking about?
Bag up. Bag up, here.
Don't worry about that, homie.
Bro, it's supposed to be stock. We're going 9 stock. What is this?
Don't worry
What
about
is
it.
this?
Don't
What is
worry.
this?
That's something else.
Yeah, thank you, Jake, but we gotta be stock.
This looks so good, all matte. All right, let's get to it. Uninstalling and installing. What you got there, buddy?
You
What is it?
inlet, turbo inlet,
Well, why are you saying you?
because this is you, and this is the guy that she tells you not to worry
I put 'em
about.
That's what she said.
side by side,
It's
bro.
all about girth, man.
Damn, put them side by side. Damn.
That golf ball effect.
Yeah, you look at it, it has that golf ball effect on the inside.
Only reason why I bought the Eventuri intake is because I like golf.
That's the only reason. Damn, boy, all the matteness. I'll help you line it up. Nope. There we go. Ooh, you happy, Mikey?
Yeah, it's coming together.
Look,
Nice,
sexy.
Nice little daily.
Nice daily. This fan's pretty loud. I just realized it.
Oh,
Yep. Damn, Miguel.
yeah, this looks pretty sick now. This looks pretty sick. I love this.
You got all the matte carbon going on. Damn.
I gotta clean some watermarks up.
So, well, the car's still not clean, Mikey. Still needs to be clean. Still needs the window tint. But I'm not gonna lie, I actually like the fishbowl look with the orange interior. Orange interior. I say paint the calipers orange with some Downstar orange dress-up bolts, little small orange accents. I think it'll look fire with the matte. I don't know what you think, but I think it'll look good.
I'm thinking I don't understand why G20s have a nice cover here.
Yeah. They sell these in carbon, but I think it'll be too much carbon.
I'm super happy. Let's see what we can do. No downpipes. Have some fun tomorrow night.
What do you think it's gonna do? Just ethanol stock only with the MHD flex fuel kit only. That's not even a mod, but sure.
It's supposed to be 30 degrees tomorrow. Stock tires.
I said 980 something.
We're going out to have a good time tomorrow night at dinner and everything. So if I get it right within 3 flashes with some per gear stuff, 986.
986?
Yeah.
Woo! I said 98 something. So
986. No downpipes, just the intakes.
damn, son. All right, well, let's see what happens tomorrow night. So I'm editing the video as I'm driving. Don't judge me, but there it goes. But I realized I didn't record an outro. So that night we went out to go test Mikey's car, but it was way too cold. It was like 22 degrees outside, and that car has really bad tires since it's a base model M3. So it has some Pirelli tires, and those tires were not gripping for anything. Not even God himself could have traction with them tires. So unfortunately, it was botched. We did about 4 tries doing burnouts, and it wasn't doing anything. So unfortunately, even spinning, the best it did was a 10.4 at 141. So obviously the mile an hour is there, just the traction is our worst enemy at the moment. So we obviously have to do this at the track with some prep and heated ground, because the ground is way too cold. It was at midnight when we were trying. It was like 1 a.m. actually. So it was way too cold. So that's that. I'm on my way home. I'm somewhere in South or North Carolina, one of the Carolinas. So it's gonna be a long night for me. Thank you guys. Thank you for the support. I guess we will be trying out Mikey's car very, very soon. And I'll be getting my motor shortly from Visconti and putting it in the M340. This time with some upgrades like I mentioned earlier. Thank you guys for all the love and support you continuously do. Thank you guys.